welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to place the cloth onto your tufting frame. And I'm going to also show you guys how I sketch my drawings using my projector screen onto my tufting cloth. I'm using monk cloth today. My monk cloth barely covers my tufting frame. This is the starter frame that I put together on my last video. You want to make sure your material covers a little bit more than what my material is covering today, just in case you need to restretch when you're tufting. As you can see, mine's barely is covering the little edges of the frame. Okay, let's start with this end. So we're going to place it up on top. Be careful, you guys, from the sticky edges, okay? I'm gonna have to start this off a little bit weird so I can pull it over the edges. I like to just make sure it's clamped onto all the little nails. And then I'm going to go around and stretch. So I give it that. You want to make sure this is too much slack. You want to make sure that it is as tight as you can get it onto your frame. The tighter your material is, the better time you will have tufting. As y'all can see, it's a little cutting it a little closer there. Honestly, I'm using this piece now because I want to tuft and I don't got any more tufting. No, any more mud cloth here, and I'm ready to tuft tonight. So I will be at Joanns tomorrow, purchasing me some more. Make sure you get it as tight as you can. Sometimes when you're tufting, if you're using certain material, you might have to re-tighten your material to your frame. I want to get it a little more tighter if I can. Oh, I got my projector on right now. As y'all can see, the slack isn't that much. I can tighten it a little bit more, but this is pretty good. Now we are going to turn on our projector screen, and I'm going to show you guys how I trace my image on here. My last rug I made, I did not mirror my image. It did have words, so you know that didn't work. So make sure that you mirror your image if you are including words on your rug, or if you want the image to be exactly facing a certain way. make sure you image it. I mean mirror it. So I have my image here, and now I'm going to trace it. I'm using a marker. You can use a pencil. Whatever you want to use. I know I'm probably in y'all lights. Let this in. I know that I plan on freehanding a lot of my rugs. You can use Paint, you can use Illustrator, you can use other programs to get the whole face in it at one time. What I'm going to do is just basically lift it up, but it's basically a little curve that just goes right here. Very simple fix. I just ain't had time right now to be editing anything and to be opening anything. I am very impatient, you guys. I do digital art, so I do know programs to use for that. I may go over it in another video. Just at this point, I just use what works for me. Really easy just to draw a little half a crescent, boom. But yeah, I will do a detailed video using a different program, so you'll be able to get your full picture into one thing, because of course if you're making something bigger than this, you'll definitely need it. Once you finish tracing your items, just I do this. I noticed that some other tufters do also, is label everything. So you'll put blue here, white, cream, or whatever color you're calling it, pink. Label this so that you won't have to keep going back and forth to the picture for reference. So we're going to label this blue. Everything is blue. This is black. This is white. This is white. This is black. This is a pink, a light pink. I don't have any light pink, I don't believe. So that will be the last piece I finish tomorrow when I have to go pick up some. Then this is just like a cream color, like a tannish. Now once you label all your parts, you know what goes what. And my outline is black, so I will be starting with my outline. Every line you see here will be outlined in black before I start filling it in. So let's go wind up this yarn, and I will come back in another video showing you me tufting Sonic.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't